Hey, amazing folks! Did you know that the inventor of the Frisbee was turned into a Frisbee after he passed away? Now that's a crazy fact for you. But today, we're not talking about flying discs. We're talking about turning crazy ideas into cold, hard cash. Buckle up for a ride because this is a story you won't want to miss. Meet Jake, your everyday dreamer with an out-of-this-world imagination. One day, while juggling spaghetti and contemplating life, he had a bizarre idea: squishy spaghetti stress relievers. Yeah, you heard it right. Who wouldn't want to squeeze away stress with a handful of noodle goodness? Jake didn't dismiss his crazy idea. Instead, he thought, why not? He started small, creating prototypes in his kitchen. Friends thought he was nuts, but Jake was on a mission to turn his wacky notion into $1 million reality. Fast forward a few months, and Jake's squishy spaghetti stress relievers are a hit. People from around the globe are loving the quirky stress relief. Sales are soaring, and Jake is laughing all the way to the bank. So, what's the moral of the story? Crazy ideas are the seeds of greatness. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, or in Jake's case, outside the pasta aisle. Now it's your turn. What's your crazy $1 million idea? Share it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to dream big and cash in on the unexpected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild and motivational stories. Until next time, keep dreaming and stay fabulous.